Live well, think well, the gut-brain connection and aging. Welcome back to the Live Well podcast, everyone. I'm your host, Lindy Wee, and I'm delighted to explore another fascinating aspect of health and well-being with you today. As always, this podcast is brought to you by Larry Allen, the executive producer and the brilliant mind behind Live Well, A Guide to Healthy Living. His book is a wonderful resource for anyone seeking to enhance their overall health, and you can find it on Amazon and Waterstones. Today, we're venturing into the intricate connection between our gut and our brain, specifically focusing on how the tiny world within us, our gut microbiome, might influence cognitive function as we age. It's a topic that's generating a lot of exciting research, and it all centers around the potential of probiotics. You might have heard about probiotics and their benefits for digestion, but could these beneficial bacteria also hold the key to supporting a healthy, aging brain? Let's delve into the science and explore the intriguing possibility that a happy gut could indeed lead to a sharper mind as we get older. As we age, it's not uncommon to experience changes in both our gut microbiome and our cognitive abilities. Scientists have observed this parallel and have begun to investigate whether there's a causal link. The hypothesis is that maintaining a thriving and balanced community of gut bacteria could be crucial in preserving our cognitive skills as we move through life. Now, what exactly is this gut microbiome we keep talking about? Well, it refers to the vast and diverse population of bacteria and other microorganisms that call our intestines home. This internal ecosystem is far from being a passive bystander. It plays vital roles in how we absorb nutrients, digest our food, regulate our metabolism, and even in our immune responses. What's particularly fascinating is the communication highway that exists between our gut and our brain, often referred to as the gut-brain axis. It's a complex network involving nerves, hormones, and various chemical messengers. Studies have indicated that when unhealthy shifts occur in our gut microbiome, an imbalance in the types and numbers of bacteria, it can be linked to increased inflammation, diminished brain function, and even neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's disease. This is where probiotics come into the picture. Probiotics are essentially live microorganisms that, when consumed in adequate amounts, confer a health benefit on the host. That's us. Common probiotic strains are types of bacteria that naturally reside in a healthy human gut. By consuming probiotic-rich foods or supplements, we're essentially replenishing and supporting this beneficial gut bacteria, aiming to optimize the overall balance of our microbiome. And the exciting news is that research is beginning to show a positive impact of probiotic supplementation on various aspects of cognitive function. Studies have demonstrated improvements in markers like memory, learning abilities, and even reaction time. For instance, the blog post you might have seen, and if you haven't, do check it out on the Happy Gut, Healthy Brain blog at https Just Happy Gut, Healthy Brain. Blogspot.com mentions a fascinating study published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience. This placebo-controlled trial found that adults over the age of 60 who consumed a multi-strain probiotic for a period of 12 weeks showed significant improvements in their cognitive performance. That's truly encouraging. Experts are still unraveling the exact mechanisms behind this gut-brain connection and how probiotics exert their cognitive benefits. However, several pathways have been proposed. These include the potential for probiotics to reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can have a knock-on effect on brain health. They might also play a role in optimizing communication between brain cells, that intricate signaling that's crucial for cognitive processes. Furthermore, the gut is a major producer of neurotransmitters, those chemical messengers that regulate our mood. Probiotics might influence the production of these vital substances, indirectly impacting our cognitive well-being. And finally, some research suggests that probiotics could even improve insulin sensitivity, which is another factor linked to brain health. As our life expectancies continue to increase, maintaining brain health well into our later years has become a significant public health priority. The idea of modulating our gut microbiome through something as accessible as probiotic intake offers a promising supplemental approach to supporting our cognitive abilities as we age. So, what can we do in our daily lives? Well, incorporating probiotic rich foods like yogurt with live and active cultures, kefir, and fermented vegetables such as sauerkraut and kimchi could be a delicious and beneficial way to lend our brain power a helping hand. Thank you for joining me on the LiveWell podcast today. It's truly fascinating to see the emerging science highlighting the profound connection between our gut and our brain. Remember to explore more insightful information in Larry Allen's book, Live Well, A Guide to Healthy Living, available on Amazon and Waterstones. And for more on the gut-brain axis and other health-related topics, head over to the Happy Gut, Healthy Brain blog at https://happyguthealthybrain.blogspot.com. Until our next conversation, take good care of yourselves and remember to nurture both your body and your mind.